Behave. We're gonna have cheese and everything, so I want you to just behave when you see the cheese, okay? Well, I know, but I'll save you some, okay? But just don't try to eat it. No, honey, just don't try to eat it out of their hands. Okay? It's for our guests, okay? I don't want you to eat their cheese. Okay? Buddy, are you okay? You know we're gonna have some cheese? I'll get you some, okay? I'll give you some before they come. But don't beg, okay? Don't beg. I know you love cheese. Oh, baby, you're doing this shaking thing again. Why are you shaking? Okay.